This is my quickest and simplest wearable project to date. It's probably also my coolest. You can control this little necklace, sending messages using your phone or computer.
Hi, I'm Christine, and my channel is all about creating fun and creative wearable projects, things that you can make. I've also written a book about wearable technology, which is available at all good bookstores. What we need is a circuit board, and here we have a fabulous 5x5 matrix. It's got these WS2812 lights on it. It is also an ESP32 chip, so it has Wi-Fi, making it super perfect for our project. We're also going to need a battery, a little charge board. And also, because this is a jewelry item, I'm using this ceramic wire. So this stuff is so beautiful. I love to put it in projects, but I don't get a lot of opportunity to use anything quite as cool as this. But today's project is exactly the project that we need it for. So it's fantastic. So it's got this ceramic covering on top of it, and we'll scrape away that cover to show us the wire underneath. The project today will have soldering involved, so it is slightly more advanced than beginner. If you're not comfortable with soldering just yet, this might be one to save and come back and join it later. Firstly, I'm going to take some of the super amazing wire that we've got and measure it out to make sure it is going to be long enough for what we are doing. We've got this attached to our board. Attach the second piece of wire into the 3.3 just at the end. The 3.3 just at this end here, the 3.3. And then we're going to just loop it across to the other side so that we have a balance of these are each on one side. So we'll have one on this side, and then we'll have one going up the way this side. So we'll solder this first, 3 volt, and then we'll run it across the way and then up. The same as this side. Here we have the board with both the ground and power attached to it. Because we've used this lovely thin, beautiful wire, it's actually made it look like a really lovely piece here. Look at that. Beautiful. Now what we're going to do is solder the other end of this. Now we have soldered this guy on, perfect. So now we're going to solder the battery.
So with the build complete, you've now got a necklace ready to wear. Have a look into other solutions for on-off switches. You can get some fun connectors, for example. But basically, this is now your device. It was pretty quick and easy to make, just a few little soldering areas, and then you've got a super fun project to show off to your friends and family. Don't forget to like and subscribe.